Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 79. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we walk from the Lighthouse on Alcatraz Island, heading northwest towards the old officers' row gardens and the small morgue near the base of the path. From this point near the lighthouse, we leave the central plateau and follow the slope down towards what was once the residential area for the island's senior officers. During both the military and federal periods, this section of Alcatraz was known as Officers' Row, a line of elegant Victorian homes that stood here overlooking the bay, built in the late 1800s. These houses were surprisingly comfortable, complete with parlors, fireplaces, and landscape gardens. They were occupied by the commanding officers and their families, offering a sharp contrast to the confinement of the prison only a few hundred meters away. As we walk northwest, we can look down towards what remains of the officer row gardens. These terraces were some of the earliest cultivated spaces on Alcatraz. Military families planted roses, geraniums, and succulents here to soften the rocky environment. Inmates later helped maintain them as part of their assigned duties. Over time, the gardens became a rare sign of beauty on the island, otherwise dominated by concrete and security. Today, they're preserved and restored by the volunteers as part of the Gardens of Alcatraz project, which keeps the original plant varieties alive from cuttings found growing in the ruins. Continuing along the path, the next structure we reach is the Alcatraz Morgue, built around 1910 during the US Army's occupation. The small white concrete building sits just off the road, marked by a single heavy door and 3 crypt niches inside. Despite its ominous purpose, it was rarely used. Most deaths on Alcatraz, whether military or federal, were handled by transferring the body to the mainland for autopsy and burial. The morgue was more a precaution than a necessity, though it remains one of the most authentic remnants of the island's early 20th century infrastructure. Standing here between the gardens that once supported family life and the morgue that symbolizes the island's dark realities, you get a sense of how compact yet self-contained Alcatraz really was. Every function of a small community, homes, workplaces, recreation, and even death, existed within a few hundred meters of each other. That concludes today's episode. Our walk from the Lighthouse area past the remains of Officers Rose and its gardens, ending at the small, seldom used morgue that still stands as a quiet reminder of the island's long and layered history.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.